Thinking about moving to Charleston, South Carolina? Well, before you pack your bags, there are some things you need to know. Sure, Charleston looks like a southern paradise, amazing food, beautiful beaches, and that famous historic charm. But the truth? It's not all sunshine and rainbows. Let's talk about the real side of living in Charleston, the side they don't show you in the brochures. Charleston has become one of the fastest growing cities in the U.S. over the past decade. The population has boomed. We're talking over 150,000 people in the city itself, and the greater Charleston area has surpassed 800,000 residents. That's a lot of people for a relatively small city. While Charleston's economy and job market have benefited, the influx of new residents has led to some serious growing pains. Want to enjoy a relaxing weekend downtown? Be prepared for crowds, and let's not even get started on the traffic. Speaking of traffic, here's the ugly truth. Charleston's infrastructure just hasn't kept up with the rapid growth. Major highways like I-26 and Highway 17 are notorious for congestion. Commutes that used to take 20 minutes can now take an hour or more during peak times. Public transportation, not great. If you're moving here, plan on spending a lot of time in your car. And with narrow, historic streets downtown, parking is another nightmare you'll face. Charleston used to be seen as a more affordable southern city, but that's quickly changing. The cost of living has skyrocketed, particularly in popular neighborhoods like downtown, Mount Pleasant, and Daniel Island. Want to live near the water? Be prepared to pay top dollar. The median home price here is now over $500,000. Rent prices? Around $2,000 a month for a basic apartment. And it's not just housing, restaurants, groceries, and even utilities are getting more expensive. Everyone loves the idea of warm, sunny weather year-round, right? But Charleston's climate isn't always a dream. Yes, we have hot, humid summers, but we also have to deal with hurricanes and flooding. Charleston is one of the most flood-prone cities in the U.S. If you live near downtown or in areas like West Ashley or James Island, you could be facing regular flooding during heavy rains or storm surges. Hurricane season can be nerve-wracking too. If you're moving here, be prepared to evacuate and deal with insurance premiums that reflect the risk. But let's not forget why people are flocking here in the first place. Charleston is a beautiful city with an incredible quality of life for those who can manage the challenges. The food scene, top-notch. The beaches, stunning. And let's not forget about the history and culture that make this city truly unique. From the vibrant art scene to weekend festivals, there's always something going on. And if you're a history buff, Charleston's rich past and well-preserved architecture are like stepping into another era. Plus, the charm of those cobblestone streets and southern hospitality, that's real. My advice? Visit first. Spend some time in the city, check out different neighborhoods, and talk to locals. Charleston might be your dream destination, but only if you're ready for the challenges that come with it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth looks at life in Charleston. I post weekly videos with tips for buyers, sellers, and anyone thinking about making the move. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about the city, and I'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.